Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bose SoundTouch 30 radio and you need to do a hard reset to it to the factory default settings. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not syncing or pairing with your device, or if it keeps disconnecting, it's having sound issues, it's having problems with the sound, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to set it up again because everything will be wiped to its out-of-the-box settings. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to just have this speaker reset to the way it was when it came out of the box so that it's like new, whether you're selling it or buying a used one or for whatever reason you might want to do that, it's really quite simple. We just need to first of all power the speaker on. And once the speaker is turned on, we're going to come into our little button panel on top. We're going to find the 1 button and then the minus button, the volume down button. You just press and hold them simultaneously for about 10 seconds and just continue holding. And actually up on the screen, it will show up a little countdown. It'll say resetting in 10 seconds, 9 seconds. You just keep holding. If you let go, it will cancel the reset. But if you just continue to hold until that timer runs all the way down, then it will reset back to its factory default settings.